Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to share someone's Twitter video without retweeting the tweet. So without further delay, let's get started. First, tap on the Twitter app and now choose a video that you like to share. For example, I like this video, so I'm gonna quickly tap on this share button right here, tap here, tap on copy link. Now we can go back to the feed homepage of the Twitter, or you just can tap here, tap on what's happening and hold it for a while, tap on paste, tap on tweet, and now a dialog box will appear stating your tweet was sent. And guys, this is how you do it. To make sure the tweet was sent, you can go back to your profile picture, like go to your home page first. You can see your tweet right here. Go to your profile, tap on profile. Now you see the recent tweet that you just tweeted a video without actually retweeting it. So this is the video. So guys, this is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe. Bye guys, see you in the next video.